Hey guys, what's up? It's Hunter, and we are back out here at the crag again. Today I'm actually going to be taking y'all on a hike down to a waterfall back in the mountains and stuff. I'm up here at the top of the hiking trail, and so I'm going to hike down. When I get down to the actual crag, I'm going to kind of go through my bag and show you what equipment I have, and kind of give you a view of what it looks like from up there. Last time, in my last video, I didn't show you very much of what it looked like down there, and so today hopefully I can show you what it looks like down there and how beautiful it really is. And we're gonna hike down the crag and a long ways back in there to a waterfall, so stay tuned, don't miss the waterfall. Okay, so here we are at the little tourism booth thing down here at the crag. It just kind of tells some things about it and just some little flyers and stuff. I like this one. Okay, so there's several trails around here, and the one we will be taking down the crag is the dog walk. So, I don't have a dog, but that's still the trail we're gonna take, because it's probably the easiest way to get down. So, here we go. Pick up your trash. That's just something that, you know, everybody should do. So, just remember that. Guys, here we are. This is Jamestown Crag. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you what equipment I brought with me, just some of the things I brought. You know, if you go check out my video from last time, you will see that I showed you a few of the things that I bring, and so this time I'm actually going to show you what I brought on this hike, and so don't forget, go check out my video. It'll be linked at the end of the video, so watch till the end. Okay, so here's that trash that we found earlier, and today I brought my waterproof bag from Salt Life. This is not a sponsored video of any kind. I'm just telling you what I brought, actually, and so what I use. So I put things in here that need to be kept, you know, waterproof, just in case it does rain. My keys, my phone, my extra camera lens, my extra camera battery, you know, stuff like that. And over here I have my handy dandy water bottle that I take with me while I'm hiking. So you always need to have water with you. And in this pouch I have a few things. I have my snack, you know, whatever I want to eat, just in case I need something to eat. And so here I've got, you know, a protection device, if you want to call it that. I mean, here we just call it having a gun. So I've got a gun with me just in case I was to need it for any reason. It's always good to just have safety measures like that. And so without further ado, let's put everything back in the bag, zip it up, and we will head down the cliff. Okay, so this is where we are going to be climbing down. And as you can tell, it's pretty steep and it has rained recently. So I'm gonna put you guys down until I get down there so that I don't fall with my camera. That would be wonderful. So, so I will see you when we get down there. Okay guys, so I made it down the crag, and as you can see right back there, that's where we had to climb down. And so since I'm down here now, I can actually show you what it looks like from below. So here we go. As you can tell guys, this is a climber's paradise. If any of you are climbers, this would be a great place to come and test it out. Look at these ferns growing out of the side here. And more trash. Don't leave your trash in the woods. Okay, so we are ready to start our hike down into the valley to find the waterfall. So here we go. Okay guys, so we have come to our first small waterfall. So I will show you that, and it is actually running, so that's a good sign. That means that the other one will probably be running somewhat. So let's cross this log here without falling. There we go. You can hear it barely falling. This is a small waterfall. This is part of it. And here's the other part. The water falls down off of that. Okay, so we are about to head down into the valley to see Bailey's Pour Off. That's the name of this waterfall. There's actually a little sign here for it. Bailey's Pour Off is this way. So down into the woods we go. Okay, so here we've come to a creek. This is the creek that the waterfall actually runs into, and usually it's running a lot more than this. So I hope the waterfall is running. I'm not sure if it will be or not. So I'm gonna try to cross this without falling into the water or dropping my camera. Okay. Okay, so we've made it across the first, or well, second obstacle, I guess. And so now let's keep going. Okay guys, so there are spider webs everywhere. So let me teach you a little trick. Get you a stick with a bunch of leaves and catch the spider webs before they get to you. So, little hiking tip there for you. Okay y'all, I want you to see some of the spiders we have here. This is a good reason to carry that stick. because these things are creepy. Would not want one of those on my face while walking through the woods. And I think she has babies. Bad mother-child relationship. Okay, as you can see behind me, there are some huge boulders in this creek, and so I'm going to give you a little tour of them just so you can see like how amazing that they really are. Okay, now let's get back to the actual hike. Okay guys, here we are at the other creek crossing. Okay guys, you go this way to get to Bailey's Pour Off, but if you go this way up the creek for a long ways, you will find a place called Indian Wells, and I will have to take you guys there sometime. It's amazing as well. Okay, so as you can tell, the sun is starting to shine now. It was cloudier this morning and cooler, but now it is getting really hot and it's very humid because it just rained. And so I probably look a little rough, but we're continuing on. Here we go. Okay, so when you're walking through stuff like this, you've got to be careful that you don't step on a snake, or there's actually a frog right there. Where are you at? There he is. Oh man, the frog just peed on my hand. Not even kidding. That's great. Anyway, so what I was saying is, when you're walking through brush like this, you need to be careful that there are no snakes around. Well, there probably are, but you can't see them. You just have to be careful to not step on them, watch for them, make sure that you do not get bit by one, because being way out here with no help and getting bit by a poisonous snake is a very dangerous thing, and also being up to date on how to take care of a snake bite is something that is very necessary. So go and do that. So let's pick that up. Okay guys, so I want to show you this right here. We are getting really close to the waterfall, and this is part of the bluff that the water falls off of. And so I'll show you this huge bluff here. All the way up there. The trees are blocking it kind of, but it is huge. And also here are more of those huge boulders. We're getting close, guys. go. I just fell. The slippery rocks because of the rain. Okay guys, so we are so close to the waterfall. You can actually hear it probably in the video. So we'll be there in just a second. Okay guys, so we have made it to the waterfall, finally, and it is running, so that's a plus. I didn't want to get all the way out here and it not be running and not have the waterfall to show y'all actually in the video. So, okay, so here we go. This video does not do this place justice because these cliffs are huge. And that there's a huge hole into the cliff. Not a cave, just a hole. And then the water falls off of there. And then the other side is a cliff also. Okay guys, so that's it for this video today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoyed going on the hike with me. And there will be more videos like this to come. It's amazing here. If you ever have the chance to come out here or come to the Ozarks and just hike somewhere around the Ozarks, then I suggest that you do it because it's a great experience. And I'm privileged that I get to live here and actually come to these places on a regular basis. And so at the end of this video, I'm gonna link my previous video about hiking and kind of what I take on a hike. If y'all would, just go watch it and please give it a like and comment on it as well. So guys, please subscribe to my channel. Please comment on my video. Please like this video, share it, whatever you wanna do. But don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out on what happens on the next Ozark time. Okay guys, do you see that snake right there? That snake right there. Yeah, he was laying somewhere right about there. I was trying to remove a spider web from myself and I almost stepped on him. He was underneath me. So that is why you need to be careful. And I am being an example at the moment. I was not being as careful as I should have been. But it was on the main path, and so I didn't even think about it, honestly. But yeah, so there he is, and that could have been bad if they've got a diamond-shaped head, a pointy head. That means they're poisonous. So this one is poisonous, and you can see how he's curled up. because I kind of stuck my foot at him and touched him, I think I touched him. So just be careful, guys. Be careful when you're hiking in the summer or in just warmer months, because these little guys, especially in the Ozarks, are not scarce. They can be all over the place.